Hello everyone! Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm gonna share with you a Dollar Tree haul that I made, and I get a lot of things, various things like for Halloween, for fall, and some knickknacks, and I wanted to share them with you. So the first one is I got this organizer. This is a repurchase. I actually got this one, and they have lots of this at the Dollar Tree today, so they're restocking, or they have more of this. That's one over there. Then I got some pom-poms. I wanted to try the rabbit made out of yarn, and this will be a perfect tail for the rabbit. There. This is also a repurchase again. I got more of this one for my bead making. And then I got a black mirror. I'm gonna make a Halloween mirror out of this. I'm gonna make a project out of this one. Then I got some containers for to put some beads on it for storage. There at the Dollar Tree. I got some stickers. With the bottle cups that I purchased, this will be good for the bottle cups and make it into a keychain. Those are stickers. See? There. Got that one there. And I got some buttons. There's various buttons in here. I don't have colored buttons or variations of buttons. And I got the black one as well, and the brown, the dark one, for Halloween. Okay, put that there. And I also got this one. This is a book rings. They have this one. This book rings, you can either use it on binders, or you can use it. This is very good for keychains. That would be nice for keychains. Got that one. And I got this metal words. You can paint them or spray paint them in any color that you like. And it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. I think that would be pretty nice for a project. I also got two of this one. It's key tags. This is a nice key tag because you can actually put a label on what kind of key that you're going to place. So this is the key tag that I bought. And I got, for Halloween, I got some treat bags, black ones. They got the black ones now. I got 3 of them. I'm preparing for Halloween. The colored one, the big ones, they only have 2 for 1 pack, but this is 3 pieces for 1 pack. So I got those. I got this nice broomstick, and I can use this in my Halloween project. They got black ornaments, and they're small. It's pretty nice to also include it in any decoration for Halloween. I also got this lights, LED lights. I'll show you over here. This is pretty neat. See, and then you just I think it has to have a battery, and the battery is not included. Okay, so it's not working here. I need to place battery inside. Okay, I got that one. It's pretty cute. And then I also got this for Halloween, a scary mouse. This would be nice to attach to the witch hat or the Halloween hat that I'm gonna make. Okay. And then I also got this one at the Dollar Tree. It's a witch legs. I've seen one in YouTube using this kind of decor in her wreath, and all she did was to cut this and place some cotton in it so that it's gonna be firm. I got that one. And I got a lot of yarn, a lot of mesh. I got the green ones here. I got also an orange yarn there. Got those for fall. I can use them for the orange. I can use for Halloween. I got this various yarns. And here's another yarn. I got two of this one for fall. I could use this for fall too as well, or for Halloween. And I got two blacks. I've been looking for blacks, but I think they're not there anymore. So I don't know. I would be needing more blacks. So I got those yarns set to the side. Oh, I have another yarn. I got 3 of them. And I got this kind of sparkle mesh. It's a Halloween sparkle mesh. There's cobwebs on it. And this one maybe you can, I'll show you how it looks like. Maybe we can tear this down and see how the mesh looks like. It's kind of pretty. Okay, let's get a scissor over here and try to open it up. I hope I don't rip off the yarn itself. There. No, I think I did. But no. So this is the mesh that they have. It's got that one there. See how pretty it is? Look at that. I think I did. But that's a very nice mesh. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I got that one. I got those. And of course, I got this creepy cloth that I can use for some wreaths that I purchased. And I got also this this is a pretty message, I mean wall decor from Dollar Tree. It says grateful, thankful, and blessed. I can make this not in the wreath but in other in a shadow box. Maybe I could do that. And I also was able to find a pumpkin wreath, a metal wreath, a pumpkin wreath form. That's it. And also I got, oh sorry about that, also a witch hat, a witch hat's wreath form. There you go. It's kind of long. I don't know if you're able to see it there. Alright, oops, my camera's always moving, sorry for that. And then, last but not the least, I think that's about it. I got this fake nails. And I'm gonna try to, I've never tried wearing fake nails before, but I wanted to try, and I think I love this design of the fake nails. And of course, I need a super bond for the nails. So this is just all for it, guys. A haul for fall and for Halloween and some knickknacks. Well, until my next haul, I'll see you again soon. Stay safe, guys. Bye.